Hola, alumnos. This is just a tutorial to clarify saber y conocer in Spanish. So they both mean to know, and just note that the yo forms of both verbs are irregular. You have sé and conozco. So don't be like a 4-year-old in Spanish and say, Mami, yo sabo, because it sounds horrible. So just know that it's pronounced sé, like say in English, but shorter, sé. And then the rest of the conjugations are normal. Sabes, sabe, sabemos, sabéis, y saben. Conocer is also irregular in the yo form. It's conozco. Conoces, conoce, conocemos, conocéis, y conocen. So when do we use these? Saber is used to talk about facts that we know, or information that we know, or things we know by heart. And how to do something. If we know how to do something, we use saber. And there's just a hint that they're almost always used with question words. And I'll explain that later. So let's look at the facts. If I want to say, I know that the capital of Spain is Madrid, I say sé que la capital de España es Madrid. It's a fact that I know. If I say no sé tu número de teléfono, or if I ask you, ¿sabes tú la altura de la Estatua de Libertad? You know how tall the Statue of Liberty is. So those are facts. Things you know by heart. El niño sabe el alfabeto. Sabe las letras. Sabemos que Lucas es muy guapo. Things that we know. Facts, again, it's very similar. When I say it's followed by an infinitive, I'm explaining that I know how to do something. For example, mi hermana sabe hablar francés. We translate that, my sister knows how to speak French. But in Spanish, you don't use the how. You would not say, mi hermana sabe cómo hablar francés. You don't need it. Mi hermana sabe hablar francés. Chris Hemsworth sabe surfear bien. I didn't know that about him, but clearly he knows how to surf well. When you have a question word, like hopefully you know these, where, when, who, how many, you would use saber. So if I want to say, sé quién es el profesor de álgebra. I know who he is. Maybe I don't know him personally, but I know who he is. Ella sabe dónde está el restaurante mexicano. ¿Sabes tú cuántos estudiantes hay en la clase? So these are all question words. Some questions I could ask you. ¿Sabes hablar otra lengua? If you do, you would say, sí, sé hablar otra lengua. ¿Sabes quién es el presidente de los Estados Unidos? If you know who it is, you would say, sí, sé que es Donald Trump. ¿Sabes nadar bien? If you don't know how to swim, you would say, no, no lo sé, or no sé nadar bien. Somebody may ask you, ¿sabe usted la hora? So they're asking you the hour or the time. You would say, sí, son las 12:15. Moving on to conocer. This is when you're actually familiar or acquainted with something personally. You've experienced it. You know somebody personally, people, places, or types of things. It's most commonly used with people or places. So if I say to you, yo no conozco a tu amigo Esteban. So I don't know him personally. No conozco Esteban. Pero conozco a su hermana. Okay? Or let's say I've been to New York several times, or I used to live there. I could say conozco Nueva York. ¿Conoces la ciudad de Nueva York? Conozco bien la Ciudad de México. You can also be familiar or acquainted with a book or movie if you've seen it or read it. El cura conoce bien la Biblia. ¿Conoces la película, The Notebook? Sí, la conozco. You may be familiar with a type of something. ¿Conoces la música reggaeton? Are you familiar with it? Do you listen to it? Or food. ¿Conoces la comida tailandés? Some preguntas that I could ask you. ¿Conoces a Jennifer Lopez? Well, you may know who she is, but if you don't know her personally, you would say, no, no la conozco. ¿Conoces la comida hispana? Sí, la conozco. ¿Conoces el restaurante Olive Garden? If you've been there, you'd say, sí, lo conozco. ¿Conoces Nueva York? I used to live there, so I could say, sí, la conozco. If you want to take the time to pause the presentation and do these, fill out these blanks with the verb either conocer or saber, go ahead and do so, and I'll give you the answers on the next slide. Here's your answers. I hope you did well.